Heading out on the trail, we're doing trail 1, 2, 3. We're gonna see some waterfalls, some rivers, some jungle, some big stuff. Gonna be rad, but I wanna come back and do it at night for sure.
5 foot more water, yeah.
Well, I already got lost. I went on trail number 4 instead of trail number 1, but I found these guys. This trail's way sweeter than trail number 4. This hike has definitely been rad. The signage is super easy to find everything. So you can totally do it alone. There's tons of waterfalls and places to swim and definitely rad. Well taken care of. Check it out. I think it's about, don't quote me on it, but something like 10 bucks each. And then you can cruise around all day. There's tons to do. And there's even a vista where you can see the ocean if you're inclined to go check it out. We're doing paths 1, 2, and 3 and calling it a day. This is what it's like. Costa Rica rainforest jungle with river. Well, that was a beautiful hike. I look forward to the night hike here at Hacienda Ébano. Ébano. Perfecto. All right, so check this out for sure. I'll put the website and the links below. Thanks for watching. Everything Costa Rica. I'm Tony. I almost said I'm Toby. I'm Tony. Pura vida.